Hi Student Success, and welcome to week 12 of the semester already. We are almost to the teens. I do just want to let you know that next week, week 1 will reopen for anyone who missed work from the beginning of the semester. I will have an announcement posted about that, so just be on the lookout for that and take advantage if you missed anything from week 1 for whatever reason. Okay, so jumping into week 12. Week 12 is going to continue chapter 6. So week 11 introduced chapter 6, lecture video there. In week 12, I just copied the chapter 6 lecture video. So if you want to take a look at it again, you can. If you feel comfortable with it, that's fine as well. So as a quick overview, you have 2 assignments this week, a chapter 6 assignment and a test your memory assignment. There's no discussion forum, so your week attendance is based on completing both assignments by Sunday. So let's say you complete one but not the other, you get 50% attendance. So please make sure you complete both for your weekly attendance. So let's jump in and take a look. For this assignment, chapter 6 assignment, there are several parts to this, so you just want to make sure that you're answering all parts. First, you want to read the article. So the article is right here. You'll open it up and it's going to open up into a PDF. And you can see that it is not a terribly long article. The first page is basically a picture. And then you have your page here and here. So that's your first thing, is read that article. Then you're going to choose one of the verbs in this little table to write a short essay questions. Remember, chapter 6 talked about like test taking, and so one of the things that you're doing is putting yourself in a test taker's position of like, if I had to create an essay question based on that article, you're not just coming up with a random question, it's based on this article, what kind of question could you formulate? And so you're going to use one or maybe a couple of these verbs. You can do like compare and contrast, or maybe just illustrate or summarize, but you're going to choose a verb, you're going to write the question. Third part, don't forget about this third part, answer your question. So I know you're posting it, but then you're also going to answer it. So answer your essay question in 3 to 5 complete sentences. So again, there are 3 parts to this assignment. Read the article, create a question, an essay question based on that article using one of these or 2 of these verbs, and then answer your question using 3 to 5 complete sentences. You can do all of this in a Word doc and upload it, or you can just put it in the comment area, whatever is easiest for you. Okay, so please make sure you pay attention to all 3 parts of this assignment. Next, you are going to take this real quick little test your memory assignment. It's going to be one of these where you have to click in the bottom right hand corner to move it forward, and it's going to do just what it sounds like. It's going to test your memory to see how well you remember certain things. Now, I will not see that you completed this because this is what you're actually turning in. You're going to answer these 3 questions. And again, this can be a Word doc or just in the comment area. How many words were you able to remember? I don't know, like 5 words. Which words did you forget? So you can go back and kind of see, okay, which words did I not remember? And then what memory techniques? So you're not being graded on how well your memory task was completed. It's, did you answer the questions? So I don't care if you were able to remember all of them or none of them. Really, you're just answering these questions and tell me what technique did you use? Did you use repetition? Did you use like rhyming? Did you use acrostics, mnemonics, singing, whatever the case is. So again, take the little survey here, test your memory survey. Once you get your results, you can kind of see how you did. You'll go back and you'll answer these 3 questions. And again, you can do this in the comments, or you can upload a Word doc answering those questions. All right, so please make sure that you answer all parts of these questions for both assignments. Do all parts so that you are getting your full points for each assignment. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, and I hope you have a great week.